2016 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering, fog lights, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.